Hello and welcome to Painting Series 1 Tutorial 4. In this tutorial, we're going to start painting using the basic proplasmos technique. I think it's best for beginners to master this technique before progressing to underpainting techniques, which we'll study in a future series. We have two main aims over the next few tutorials. Firstly, we're going to be doing garment studies. Not only are beginners usually in a rush to start painting without learning to draw properly first, they're also in a rush to start painting faces and think that as long as the face looks good, no one will notice that the garments don't. But if the garments don't look good, they're only going to draw the viewer's eye away from the face, creating a distraction. There is also a demand for fast food or takeaway iconography, where you jump straight into painting a complete icon by numbers without ever having learned the basics. So here we're going to be working on the fundamentals, so that when you do paint a complete icon, you will have a better understanding of what you're doing and get a better result. Secondly, these garment exercises will be the best way for you to discover the magic of Tetrachrome and how to mix and combine colors using the limited palette. You will see how we can make all the colors we need using just yellow ochre, Mars red, iron oxide black and titanium white. This limited palette has a great advantage because the fewer colors you use, the greater the harmony. And this color harmony also helps to create the sense of peace and unity in the icon. So now that we've got our sketch, we can mix the colors for the proplasmos. We're going to be using three colors: medium Mars red, iron oxide black and titanium white to create a mauve color. As you can see, the paint is semi-transparent and you can still see the yellow ochre layer beneath it. You can see that just by adding the glypsimeter, we've already given a sense of volume to the garment. And there we have our sleeve. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, keep practicing.